going to show you 5 ways that you can decorate these fillable wooden letters. We've got some book decoupage, this lovely soft and squishy Pom Pom one, a geometric painted one, this biodegradable glitter one, and a really fun spring themed one. Now if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of brand new content. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make these. You will need wooden fillable letters, artificial grass, red, black and white Fimo, a cocktail stick, floral tape, floral wire, yellow and white paper, a glue gun, PVA glue, pages from an old book, paint, Mod Podge, glitter and pom-poms. A lot of pom-poms. For the spring letters, start by making some toadstools and ladybirds from polymer clay. For the toadstools, take a lump of red clay and roll it into a ball. Don't worry about the size because you can make a few in different shapes and sizes. Press into the ball gently with the back of a paintbrush or a pencil to hollow it out. Roll a lump of white clay into a fat sausage and push it into the hollow on the red clay. Finish by rolling tiny balls of white and pressing them on top. For the ladybird, roll a piece of red clay into an egg shape, then flatten the bottom. Cut a third off one end. Repeat with a piece of black clay the same size. Cut off a third and press it onto the larger piece of red clay to make a head. Press a sharp knife carefully down the centre of the red body of the ladybird to make 2 wings. Then roll small pieces of black clay into little balls and press them symmetrically onto the wings of the ladybird. Use a cocktail stick to make 2 eyes and a mouth. Then bake for 30 minutes at 110 Celsius. To make some paper flowers, cut daisy shapes from white paper. You'll need 2 for each flower. Fold in half and cut a small hole in the centre. Cut a rectangle of yellow paper measuring about 8 by 2 centimetres. Fold it in half and cut narrow slits all the way along. Open up the paper, then add a little glue and roll up to make the centre of the flower. Wrap floral tape around the wire. Remember, you need to stretch it out to make it stick to itself. Add glue to the end of the wire and push the flower centre on top. Then add the daisies and secure with more floral tape. Fan out the yellow centre to finish. Cut the grass into the shape of the letters, add glue and press in place. Push the daisies into the grass and glue on the Fimo bugs and toadstools to finish. The pom-pom letter is really simple and quick to make. It's such an easy way to decorate your fillable letters. Working in sections, add a thick layer of PVA glue to the base and sides of the box and squash the pom-poms neatly inside. For the painted letter, sketch out your design lightly using pencil. Here we're going for a simple geometric design. Add paint, doing the background first, then fill in the shapes. Add a layer of Mod Podge for a little shine to finish. Finally, for the sparkly letter, if you're using different shades of glitter, mark out a simple design for where you want it to go in pencil. Add glue to the first section and pour some glitter on. We're using biodegradable glitter and it's absolutely fantastic. Pour out the excess onto a piece of card that's folded in the centre so that you can easily pour it back into the bag. Repeat with each of the remaining sections. Try to avoid pouring glitter out over the sections you've already done, but it doesn't matter too much. To make the decoupage letters, start by tearing pages of an old book, and do make sure it's an old book, into small pieces, a few centimetres big. Work in sections and add a little glue to the wooden letter, then the pieces of paper, then paint over again with glue. Make sure you overlap the paper so that there aren't any gaps. Continue this way all over the letter to finish. Set aside overnight to dry. So there we go, 5 ways with fillable wooden letters. You can find the full tutorial for this craft over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub. And there are loads more fun things to try there too. See you next time.